Hey, it's Jim Loiza from Metablox, and our mission is to preserve humanity's most important memories. And today I'm going to show you how to mint your blocks using fiat with Stripe. Now, this is very important. Why are we using fiat if we're a crypto project, a crypto company? Our mission is to preserve humanity's most important memories. Therefore, we need to make sure that our blocks and Metablox is readily accessible to everyone. Not everyone's going to have crypto. Many people are going to be hesitant to buy that. So that's why we want to make sure that they're able to use fiat in their purchase. Now let's go ahead and do this process. So let's go ahead and find a blocks that we really like. Let's say it's this one here. There's two options. You can mint single blocks or you can mint multiple blocks with batch mint. In this tutorial, we're going to use single mint. Also, just so you know, I'm currently signed in, but you don't have to be signed in. You can also mint blocks being signed out as well. Okay, so we found a blocks. Let's go ahead and hit mint. We have two options. We have debit card or MetaMask. In this tutorial, we're going to use the debit card and we're minting 1937. And also keep in mind, we're going to be going through the Stripe process. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this. It's going to take me to the Stripe checkout page. You can see here, Blox 1937, worth $200. Here's my email that is tied to my account. I'm going to go ahead and use the test card. And now I'm going to hit pay. Once I hit pay, it's going to process their transaction and it's finished. We can go ahead and click on this OpenSea collection and you can see that it will appear here in just a few minutes. Usually it takes a few minutes to actually mint. So let's go ahead and click on finish. If it is taking more minutes, what you'll see here is on the top left, you'll see mint in progress. As soon as that is finished, you'll be able to see a link here to OpenSea. So you'll click on that and you'll be able to see your blocks on OpenSea that you own. Also very important to note is that when you use fiat to mint, it'll be stored, the blocks, the NFT will be stored on our custodial Metablox wallet. Now, right now, you can't yet move it from the custodial wallet over to the MetaMask wallet. That feature is going to come a week or 2 weeks after minting. Why are we doing that? Because we want to make sure that we're hitting that minting deadline and we want to make sure that the minting goes as smoothly as possible. And adding all these additional features is going to prolong minting. So we want to make sure we mint on Monday, May 23rd. And if you do decide to use fiat to mint within a week, within 2 weeks, let's say within 2 weeks, we're going to have that feature in the user profile side, in the user account, where you'll be able to click here and you'll be able to move your blocks. So your blocks will show up here and you'll be able to move your blocks from the custodial Metablox wallet over to your MetaMask wallet. And until then, if for some reason there is a big emergency and you absolutely need that NFT on your wallet, then hit us up on the Discord and we'll be able to help you manually through that process. All right. And that's it. If you do have any questions, hit up on the Discord and we're happy to help. Thanks. Happy minting.